Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I have the ultimate pleasure. Normally I have the pleasure, but I've got the ultimate pleasure today because before me is arguably one of the highest specification Bentley Continental GTCs available on the used market today. Now this car cost just under £250,000. It's got just over £44,000 of factory extras. £44,000, think about that. When you're sat there ordering a vehicle and the extras get to £44,000, I would suggest that money was not an object. It was the car that you were creating was the main importance. Now let's take a look around it because it is in absolutely beautiful, beautiful order. Now the vehicle paint colour is called Tungsten Metallic, and that is a beautiful grey. Now in this sunshine in Wigan here today, it absolutely shows all the lines. The paint finish is a deep lustre. You can see the greys, you can see the greens, you can see the blues. It is just quintessential Bentley. Coming round to the front then, we've got the beautiful Bentley chrome grille there. As I say, a wonderful, wonderful specified car. Now this is a Bentley Mulliner, so it's got the Mulliner driving specification, which then effectively gives us the diamond turned black and chrome alloy wheels. A wonderful car. The Bentley specification, obviously quilted seats. We've got the door casings and the rear quarter panels in the diamond embroidery, sports pedals, fuel filler cap in special finish. We've got embroidered Bentley emblems and we've got a metal oil cap. But just look around it, quad exhaust system. First of basically the new model, so a totally redesign of the car. But there is an absolute sense of occasion in this vehicle. I don't think I've seen a Bentley, when we supplied it or had the opportunity of introducing our customer to it just over a year ago, it was as new. And now, 10,000 miles later, it's still in the same exceptional order. But let me just open the door and let's take a look around there. Now internally we've got the linen leather, the quilted stitch. Porpoise is the second leather, so it's a very light grey. But just the burr walnut in this vehicle, I have not seen. We sell lots of Bentleys. Have a look on our website, previously sold. We do have a very, very nice selection of pre-owned Bentley. But the combination in this vehicle is exceptional. It's got the swivel screen, which everybody asks, has it got the swivel screen? But it's got the Bentley stereo system. Just look at the speaker covers in it. The speaker covers themselves, there's art in there. And then the mix of chrome, the mix of the aluminium, it's just exceptional. It really is. It's beyond belief. So we've got there walnut, we've got chrome, we've got the dark stain emphasising the black colouring, we've got the highlight of the grain in the burr walnut, but a beautiful, beautiful vehicle to look at. So let's just jump in, let's start her up. We've got obviously standard, so let's not beat around the bush. There's really nothing in a Bentley which is just average. Massaging seats, heated seats, cooling seats, but the screen there, obviously you press the button and everything comes on. Switch her off, the screen turns round. Burr walnut down throughout. Now the car's just done 10,106 miles. We've got the Bang & Olufsen surround sound, heated steering wheel. We've put all the extras on the order. Now I do have the original bill sheet here, which, as I say guys, £44,000 worth of options. I will be here all day. So if you want this, if you're interested in it, I will email it to you. There we go, £245,709, £44,037 of extras with a list standard price for just the average car of £200,954. So just look at it, look at the detail, just look at the detail on the gear shift there, look at the diamond encrusted quilted. That itself is just pure magic, isn't it? What do you think, Dom? It's just pure magic. Bentley clock down here now, because this is obviously the screen itself. Just watch that. Look at that. That in itself, I would rather have that screen like that. We don't want all that information. We want traditional. Just look at the chrome detail that follows through that line all the way through around you. This wraps around you in such a, it's as if it's hugging me inside. I can only say, you know, it is what it is. It's just opulence. Absolute opulence. What a saving though when you think about it. What a saving on cost new. I'm not going to say it's a bargain, but I'm going to say it's absolutely outstanding value. Because 10,000 miles and effectively the options, you'd be hard pushed to find a car on the market today with the options that this car has. In the colour combination, which is just, it's a wow factor. It is a wow factor. Standard, obviously, cameras, reversing cameras, sat navs, you name it, this car has it. Beautiful to drive, beautiful to own. Still under manufacturer's warranty with Bentley, so it's nothing to worry about there. Buying from a 40-year-old family business, we prepare our cars, I would suggest, even better than Bentley. And I'm going to say that because that's what customers have told us. It will be prepared within an inch of its life. And then you deal with guys like me and Dom on the camera, just nice people. So if you've got any inquiry on it, we'll take a part exchange. You've got Bentleys, Porsches, Ferraris, not a problem. We'll take it. But just look at that. I'm going to give you a minute just to savour it, just to appreciate it. But you tell me, wherever you turn up, there isn't going to be appreciation from your friends. Not, oh, look at him. That is class. Pure, pure class. So give me a call, I'm Graham. I'll be happy to help you in any way. You want to come down and sit in it in our showroom, it's going to be parked in the showroom. Please come and take a look. We have lots of guys and children. If your children like Bentleys, bring them down. I'll let them sit in it, have a picture with it. But thanks for watching our video and I look forward to your inquiry.